Hi, this is the recording for Project 2 in Unit 8. This is all part of Week 5 work. So you can see on the left-hand side over here, Project 2. In this project, you're using the Mobster spreadsheet from the previous assignment. So whatever name you saved that as when you did Project 1, you want to open up that file. And on this one, you're going to be doing some filtering to find specific bits of information. So I'm going to go ahead and open that file. So here it is. Yours looks something like this. If you fixed it, if you did everything right from last time, then you have zeros down here. The math ends up in zeros. And you have zeros here. You've answered these questions. So here we have this work. Now the first thing, when we go back to the assignment, excuse me, it says how many crimes were committed during the month of October. Well, we could look at that, right? I could go down here and I could count. There's 1 October, 2 October. That would be a pain though, right? That would be a real pain. So I don't want to do that. So there are a number of ways I can do this. And the way to do it, the easiest way, is called filtering. So you can see right here, going to turn on automatic filtering for A2 to D2. So I'll go back to the document, I highlight A2 to D2, then I right click, filter, and I want to filter these by the value that's in the cell. So that'll filter by the words, etc., the numbers, etc. So now I have all this set up to be filtered. So if I want to figure out month, if I go right here, there's all of them in January. Now I could count this much easier, can't I? So there's a hint on how to filter for the month of October. How many crimes during the month of June that were extortion? I'm not going to show you that exact answer, but here I have January, and maybe I want to find all the crimes that were just bootlegging in January. Now I have the crimes for bootlegging in January. So you see how you can use these different filters to find different bits of information. Real easy to do. So back to the assignment. How many crimes were committed that they brought in less than 60,000? How many extortion crimes with people last names start with B? And use the top 10 filter, or how many of the top 10 crimes in terms of dollars were committed in the first 3 months of the year. So that's going to be a little bit more of a challenge one. But what you'll do with this, to answer this, you'll do all that work, find out the answers in the spreadsheet, then highlight these questions, right click copy, paste those questions in the drop box, then just type your answers right out next to them here. So again, you're going to be using this spreadsheet, going through the filters. Okay, I look forward to your work coming in. Relatively easy, but you just